Yung unang panahon.
Go.
Sa isang kingdom ng Frozen, may isang babaeng may superpower.
Go.
Ay pangalan niya ay Elsa.
Go.
Nadadroga. Bago mag-umpisa ang storya, pakilala muna natin sila. Ako si Atara Cruz bilang Elsa. Super Ice Magic.
Ako si Gabriel Rowie Empiray bilang Evil Witch.
Ako si Eman James Di Mercado bilang Olaf.
Go.
Olaf na evil. Ha 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 ha.
Go.
Ako si Maxine Gail Di Mercado, kapatid ni Elsa. Si Ana.
Go.
Simulan na natin ang storya.
Go.
Yung unang panahon, may dalawang napanganak na Frozen.
Manganak na ako!
Go.
Chuchiwawawa.
Lumaki sila bilang mababait na kambal. Ngunit si Elsa ay may powers kaya nagtago na lang siya sa...
Go.
Elsa? Do you want to be snowman?
Go.
Come on, Gizmerlay! At not sing anymore. About the door, sing away!
Go.
We use the bodies, but the matter.
Go.
You tell me why. Do you want to be snowman?
Go.
I said no!
Okay, bye!
Go.
Pagkatapos nun, tumakas si Elsa kasi natatakot na siya sa powers niya.
Go.
Masyado na malakas ang power ko. Nasasaktan na ang mga pamilya ko.
Go.
Aalis na lang ako.
Go.
At umalis nga si Elsa sa bahay nila at gumawa ng sariling castle.
Snow globes doing around. Footprints like a queen. A kingdom of fascination. It looks like I'm the queen. The wind is holy. Like the storm is changing.
Go.
Don't let them see.
Go.
Be a good girl is always have to be.
Go.
Don't let them feel, don't let them know.
Oh.
And now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. The buses
Go.
turn away and slam the door.
Go.
Here I stand. Here I stand. Let the storm rage on. Nobody me anywhere. Anywhere.